In this video, you're going to learn how to delete a listing on Teespring. What's up, you guys? Tony here. I'm a graphic designer and brand developer. This channel is all about art and design related content, so if that's something that you're interested in, consider subscribing. Deleting products off of Teespring is super easy, so this is going to be a very short tutorial. You're going to go to the top right where you see your email address, click the drop down, and you want to go to Listings. When you go to Listings, you'll see the different items that you've created. Now you want to go to Stores. When you click Stores, you're going to see the storefront that you have. In this case, I have two. And this item in this store, I want to delete. So what you're going to do is hover over the storefront, press Edit Store, and then it's going to open up the store here. Go to Products, click into that, and then there is a trash can beside the product that you want to delete. Press the trash can and press Done, and you have deleted a listing. Check out this video to learn how to edit your listings on Teespring.